Good morning. This morning you are going to be reading the passage titled Creepy Cave Crawlers. This is another nonfiction selection, and you have lots of uploaded words, which means that those are vocabulary words. You also have a graphic here with a caption underneath that you need to make sure that you read. This word right here is called stalagmites, and this word is stalactites. And you might also notice that some of these bolded words have numbers next to them. Those are down here. It's called a footnote. That is down here, and it has the definition afterwards. So you're going to make sure you double check on that as well, because you might see that in a question. So let's go ahead and turn to your first page of questions. Alrighty, here we go. So, number 1. All of the following describe the tiny pill bug scientists discovered except what? So, describe the tiny pill bug except what? Number 2, read the following 2 sentences. You get the feeling that you're Lewis and Clark charting undiscovered territory, said Kraychik. Caves are one of the last frontiers. Why might the author have included these sentences in the article? So you highlight, Arthur included these sentences in the article. A, to describe the steps of how scientists explore caves. B, to communicate the thrill of cave exploration. C, to explain why Lewis and Clark became explorers. Or D, to describe why some strange creatures live in caves. Number 3, as described in the article, why might splunkers, cave explorers, wear so much gear? So there you go. A, so they don't disturb insects and other tiny cave creatures. B, to help them study stalagmites and stalactite formations. C, to be prepared in case they come across a big animal. Or D, so they can stay safe and see in the dark. Number 4, read the following sentence from the passage. The next task is to name the species. In this sentence, the word task means, so we're going to find it up here in our passage. What does task mean? A bug, B, a job, C, a cave, or D, a scientist. Remember, when they want to know what a word means, you can try each one of these words in the sentence and see which one would make the most sense. Number 5. Which statement best supports the main idea of the passage? So they're not asking what the main idea is, they're asking what one would be a good detail for the main idea. A few creatures live in the back of caves. B, the new cave creatures were discovered. C, the most unusual creatures are found toward the back of caves. Or D, exploring caves is dangerous work. Okay, let me erase. When you're ready, you can go ahead and turn to the next page. Erase our highlighting here. All right, on to number 6. Okay. Number 6. Here we go. What are stalagmites and stalactites? And how do they form? Okay. This is a multi-point question. You need to tell what are stalagmites. You need to tell what stalactites are, and you need to tell how they form. This is actually a 4-point question. Okay, so be very careful on this one. Make sure you answer everything. Number 7, based on the article, do you think that creatures that live in the back of caves can survive outside caves? Why or why not? Cite specific examples from the story to explain your answer. So your question is, do the creatures that live in the way back of the caves, can they survive? Why or why not? And then you need to give examples from the story. So this is another biggie. You need, this is a 3-pointer. Okay? Be very careful on these. Make sure you're restating the question. So this says, do you think? So you need to say, I think, and then finish your answer. Number 8, the question below is an incomplete sentence. Choose the word that best completes the sentence. Blank scientists will study the new creatures to learn more about them. Previously, earlier, next, or before. You need to pick the best choice. All right, when you're ready, you can turn to the next page. We'll move on to number 9. Okay, this one you have to answer the question based on the sentence. So it says, in California, scientists discovered 27 amazing new creatures over 3 years by exploring 2 underground caves. Who are they talking about? What did they do? They discovered 27 amazing new creatures. When, where, and how? Number 10, vocab word. Decline means to get together or to get smaller, and you need to use this word in a sentence. When you're finished reading the passage, you can begin answering the questions and let me know if you have any questions.